To learn how to count really well, you have to start at the earliest of ages. Lessons in arithmetic will follow you from childhood to adolescence. Don't be afraid of going up to the blackboard. Soon adding, subtraction, multiplication and division will no longer hold any secrets for you, and you'll break through the mysteries of this exact science called mathematics. If your memory fails you, use a calculator, but only when the teacher's back is turned, because he prefers you to think it over for a long time by doing the calculations on paper. You can also count on your fingers, but you won't get any higher than 10 unless you add your toes as well. Beyond 20, you can use the forerunner to the portable computer, the abacus. If you like figures, specialize your studies in this area. With your diploma in the bag, you can pursue a career in accounting. This job demands precision and attention. Otherwise, you risk being inundated with work. You therefore need an incredible amount of patience when reorganizing all the files. Accounting consists, among other things, in balancing the credits and debits, and it is an activity carried out throughout the world. The ledger enables you to group together all of the accounts and to manage them flawlessly. Once you've checked the outgoings and revenues, the stock inventory and fixed assets, and once you've taken into account the financial and windfall figures, you can finally move on to the summary and draw up the balance sheet, taking care to balance the liabilities and assets. Be vigilant, because an error can quickly occur. The proof is that you've completely forgotten the provisions for depreciation, and everything's got to be redone. But before starting over, take the time to check your funds and make the entries for the end of the fiscal year. If you can see that the company's capital stock is insufficient, you can suggest an increase in capital to the director, unless the company's banker only agrees to a few middle-term or long-term loans. Be strict about any cash payments. They too must appear in the accounts. So that you don't overfill the cash box, think about getting a safe, or investing in companies quoted on the stock market, after taking advice from a finance professional. But be careful, you may double your outlay, or lose it all. And then you'll have to redo all the accounts to see what tomorrow may bring, or, oh dear, what the day after tomorrow may bring. In any case, look after your files, let your friends take advantage of your attention to detail, and you'll soon be back in the race. And if your office in town seems a little cramped, ask to be transferred to one in the tropics.